Like every routine, applying Latisse is all about consistency and precision. I ensure my face is clean, makeup and contact lenses are removed, and any other facial care products have already been applied. I remove an applicator from the tray and I hold it horizontally like so. Then I place 1 drop of Latisse on the area closest to the tip, but not directly on the tip. I draw the applicator along the skin of the eyelid margin where my eyelashes meet the skin. Then, I use a tissue or a cotton pad to blot any excess solution beyond the eyelid. Once I'm done, I throw away the applicator, grab a new one, and I repeat the same process on my other eye. It's that simple.
Latisse Bimatoprost Ophthalmic Solution 0.03% Important Information. Approved use. Latisse is an FDA-approved treatment to grow eyelashes for people with inadequate or not enough lashes. Important safety information. Do not use Latisse if you are allergic to one of its ingredients. If you use or used prescription products for eye pressure problems, use Latisse under doctor care. May cause brown darkening of the colored part of the eye, which is likely permanent. Latisse may cause eyelid skin darkening, which may be reversible. Only apply at base of upper lashes. Do not apply to lower lid. Hair may grow outside the treatment area. If you have eye problems or surgery, consult your doctor. Common side effects include itchy and red eyes. If discontinued, lashes gradually return to previous appearance. These are not all the possible side effects of Latisse. For more information, please talk to your doctor. Please see Latisse full product information.